Traditional manufacturing companies face new challenges when upgrading their production line with new digitalized technologies moving towards an Industrial 4.0 setup. The required skill set among workers changes, and new job profiles have emerged. This call for an upskilling of the workforce. Industrial Collaborative Educational Design, or ICoED, is a series of co-design workshops who help companies to create and design upskilling programs for Industry 4.0. In the workshops, different participants are representing the actors from the industry and who would have an impact on the upskilling program. They are sharing and discussing their views on upskilling the workforce in a facilitated process. It ensures the voice of the learner in the creation of educational programs. The ICoED is a series of 3 workshops, and 8 steps, each of which has a specific focal point for discussion and decision. In the first workshop, the learning objective is the focus. First, a set of fixed conditions is settled. In the second step of the workshop, the hard skills, what the educational program is training for, is settled as a result of a dialogue among the stakeholders. A similar dialogue is occurring when settled on the soft skills in the third step. In the second workshop, the focus is the learning approach. In each of the workshop's 4 steps, discussion and decisions on the learning approach will take place, to reveal each participant's view on the subjects, the overarching learning principles the different stakeholders believe in. The learning activities, accordingly to what creates the best learning and motivate the learners in a training situation. The materials and resources to facilitate the learning activities. And finally, the need for communication and data infrastructure is defined. Throughout each step in the workshops, different topics are discussed accordingly to its relevance, where the participants prioritize the topics by placing the card in the prioritization board, arguing its relevance. As a result of every discussion and agreement made in the previous steps, a blueprint of the upskilling program is made. This lays out a well-defined structure of the training program that ensures the voice of the learners and the company's need is heard in facing an upskilling of the workforce. This is the ICoED method, a human-centered approach to education design.